This ZHXD home wireless security camera system stands out for its dual lens design and 2K by 2K resolution that delivers impressively detailed coverage of wide areas. The included 10-channel network video recorder and 12.5-inch monitor make this a genuinely plug-and-play kit that is easy to set up for whole house or small business use. A mixed 10x zoom lets you inspect distant corners of your property closely without the image turning into a blurry mess. Built-in two-way audio and a bright spotlight give you the ability to talk to visitors and deter unwanted activity while still seeing clear color images at night. The pre-installed 1 terabyte hard drive supports continuous around-the-clock recording, so you can review past events without juggling memory cards or cloud subscriptions. Intelligent motion detection with smartphone alerts means you can step away from the monitor and still know immediately when something important happens around your home.